Hey, what's up? How y'all doing? This is an update for the Rayforo dash cam. I have had it in my car about 3 to 4 weeks now. I don't remember exactly, but it is very, you know what? I changed that adjective. Extremely frustrating. As you know, how most dash cams work, once they sense power, they automatically just turn on. But with this dash cam, it doesn't have a built-in battery. So if you want to use parking monitor, you got to get an adapter and apply it power all the time. But the problem with that, in just about 2 days, if you don't drive your vehicle every day, it will kill your battery. I'm talking about super kill it. The only reason why I haven't had to get a new battery is because I got an AMG battery. It's designed to be deeply discharged because I got an audio system. It drains both batteries. Let me take that back. It drains both batteries after just pretty much 2 days. So this is a great dash cam. The audio and video is pretty good. I should say average. But if you use the USB adapter to power it all the time to use parking mode, it will kill your battery in about 2 days. There are other solutions, like a battery pack, but if you're going to do something like that, you might as well get a more expensive dash cam that comes with that feature to ensure that you get the capabilities, you have no issues. That's all I gotta say. If I had to get this dash cam all over again, I wouldn't. Due to this issue, it's not worth the price that I paid for it. Thank you. If you found this useful, please like the video. If you feel so inclined, you can subscribe. If you like the video, give it a thumb up. If you don't like the video, give it a thumb up. All right, y'all. Have a good day.